Do you know that Affinity offers a feature called Snapshot that allows designers to add a checkpoints to a particular specific point in their work, where if they do not feel okay with their final work, they could simply click on that snapshot and revert back to the time to that particular step during their design process. So to demonstrate, first of all, let's create a new shape. I'll go to the shape tool and then click our favorite shape and then hold down the shift key and then drag to create a new shape. And then I'll give it a color to the shape as well. Let me give it a green color like so. Now, let's say this is the shape that we have created initially. Now, in order to create a new snapshot, all we can do is go to document menu item and then navigate to add snapshot. And after we click add snapshot, you can see all the data like dates, day, time that is by default added by Affinity as to indicate when we are saving this snapshot. Now I'll go ahead and click on OK. And now a new snapshot has been created. Now I continue the work by creating more shapes like so. And somewhere in the middle, I do not like my design and I want my work to revert back to that specific point of time where we took the first snapshot. So in order to come back to the default state of our work, all we need to do is navigate to the document menu item again and then navigate down to restore snapshot and then click on the saved snapshot which we saved initially. And when we click on it, now everything has been reverted back to the normal. So Photoshop and other apps also provide a feature like so, but the best part of about Snapshot in Affinity is that we can save the snapshot even if we close down Affinity or restart our Affinity all over again, which is not possible in other apps. So this is the best part. That is, if we close down Affinity or restart Affinity and then come back to this particular work again in this Affinity, then if we go to the document and check on restore snapshot again, then we will see all the snapshot that we have created for that particular document. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video informative, please hit the like button. And for more tips and tricks and content related to Affinity, then subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.